beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a continuation of my makeup collection. So I will leave a link down below for the first video if you guys want to check that out. But I know I didn't get to finish it in the full video just because it was already so long. So that is what today's video is, and I'm super excited for you guys to see the rest of my makeup collection. And if you guys want to see more, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know. And without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this video. I also forgot to show you guys where I put the rest of my Little Pony by Pur. So I put them up here because I love using like makeup as decor. So I thought they were really pretty and I love how they're like limited edition. So I just put them in here. And right here we have the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics Deluxe Edition palette. So this one right here. So it has 21 colors and it's I think I did a tutorial on this actually on my channel. So that's what it looks like there, and I really like this palette because of the marble. That's kind of why I purchased it, but yeah, really, really pretty palette. And also, I haven't really tried anything else from BH Cosmetics before, so that was kind of nice. And then behind that, we have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette right here, the classic first one that came out. I love that palette. Right here, we have some palettes that I haven't really dug into yet. The Pixie Miriam palette, and then this one right here, it's the Judy Times palette. So I actually had two of these, so I have used them before. They're really, really great, and I just have some backups in here as well. And then right here, we actually have another marble palette. This is the Pur palette. This is one of my favorites. And that's what it looks like right there. It's got really nice warm colors. And then below that, that's the palette that I have open, so by Pixie, and I love this warm brown palette too. It's really, really nice. And right here we have the Patrick Starr matte collection, so I ended up getting the palette there. And then right here we just have a Charlotte Tilbury powder that I use all the time actually. I really love that. Hourglass little palette right here. And Estee Lauder Edit. I don't use these all too often, but they are really nice. I'll show them to you guys anyways. Bam. That's what it looks like there. So you guys can actually use these as like contour, blush, and shadows as well. And below that, I've got a Makeup Forever palette. That's what it looks like there. I've used it quite a bit. It's really nice for like a smoky eye. Okay, so right over here, I have some Pur Cosmetics. I think these are little like highlight palettes, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so they're like little highlight and contour palettes. They're cream by Pur, so I have a few of those down here. And I think they came out last summer. And then an e.l.f. palette. And then right here we have a Revlon Cheeks and Eye palette. And right here, I'm not going to show these all to you guys, but they're all by Revolution. So I just have like a ton of eyeshadow palettes. Right here, I have a blush one. That's actually a really nice one. And then right back there, I think I have more. Yeah, these are all Revolution. And then this one is a L'Oreal palette back here. And I actually just took some of this stuff out of my makeup bag. So if I like have stuff that I'm putting back into my collection, then I'll usually just put it into like one container and then put everything away individually. So right here I have like the Too Faced Brow powder. That's what it looks like right there. So it is the Bulletproof Brows, so I have that. And then right here, the Kevyn Aucoin Concealer, which is amazing. And then also Tom Ford Foundation, I love it. And then also just other stuff like the Becca Lip Gloss. So right here, this is the Sweetheart Bronzer, and I use this all the time. It's a really, really nice, soft, natural bronzer, and I love it. I have two of them right there. And then we've also got some other highlighters, the rose gold one, and then the silver one. And then right here we have those mini blushes that I was talking about. So I've just got the cute little ones. And then right here we've got some Stila, and these were their highlighters that they came out with, like the putty ones. So yeah, I don't use them all that often. I thought they were a little weird, but they are very pigmented, which is nice. So that one right there, which was very iridescent and pink. And right behind that, I just have, so this was probably one of my favorites that they did, and this was like the mini chocolate chip palette, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. That's what it looks like right there, and I've used it quite a bit, and I'm really excited because I love traveling with it too. And right here we have the Master Chrome by Maybelline. I don't think I've touched that yet. And then some blushes by Milani. And then we've got a highlighter from Mariah Carey collection. I think I bought everything from that collection. And then right here, some more Milani Cosmetics blushes. Side right here, I've got my palettes. Majority are Too Faced and some other ones too. And right here, I bought this from Sephora. This is the Too Faced Boudoir Eyes. I love this palette. Look at it. So gorgeous, really nice smoky dark palette. Also got like nice highlight colors in there. And then we have the Too Faced palette right here where you could put like your own stickers on it. It was very fun. So right there, Natural Eyes. This was one of my favorites and first palettes I think I've ever bought. So that's what it looks like there. And if you're starting out with makeup, that's actually a really good palette to start out with. And then this is the Natural Matte palette. So it's got all matte shades. And then right here, this is the cutest palette. This is Pur My Little Pony. So that's that collection they came out with, the Lippies. And look at this, how fun this is. So I was really excited about this. It's super sparkly and colorful. And I love when Pur comes out with like collections like that. And then right behind there, we got the Glow Kit by Anastasia. And then another Glow Kit. And right here, the Natural Love palette by Too Faced. So this was also a really gorgeous palette. It's so big. A lot of gorgeous neutral colors, and yeah. Okay, so right in the back right here, I've just got some Estee Lauder bronzers, and these things are huge. I'm just gonna quickly open one and show you guys how big they are. Bam. They're so big, and then I've got 3 of those, and then right in the back, I've just got some Milani eyeshadow palettes. So that is what those look like. And then right here, we just have one more blush by Milani Cosmetics. And then right here, I've just got all of my singles by Milani, and these were like the Bella shadows, I believe, yeah. And really pretty and pigmented. Like, I love Milani. I think they are one of the best drugstore brands. So yeah, I just have a ton of those right there, and the organizer is from Allegory, by Allegory. Pretty much everything that I had in this drawer right here, so just fun palettes and stuff like that, a lot of Too Faced. I forgot to show you guys 2 packages that I have right here that I want to show you. So I like to keep really pretty PR packages that I get. So right here, we have the Face Story. So they come with really cute like face masks. So I just want to quickly show you guys these. I think they're so fun. Juicy Mojito, Magic Bubble Mask, and just a ton of different ones that you can try out. And then right here, I got a really cool Pixie package. And look at this, like it actually has my name on the lock right here, which is cool. It's got my name on there, so I'm just gonna open it up to show you guys what it looked like. This is just what it looked like on the inside. So it came with skincare, and then also on the other side here, some lippies. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys this because I think the packaging is just so awesome. And these are packages that I like would keep for sure. And then in this drawer here, I can't really show you guys. It's just new stuff that I've been working on, like new product stuff. Ooh. Very bright in there, but new brushes, new ideas and stuff. I just like to keep everything in there. And then right in the bottom drawer here, this has nothing really to do with makeup, but I just have like some pillows. I got these from a really sweet subscriber, Louise, and then also just some other holders that I have for like lipsticks or whatever you want to put in there, and then some books. Okay, so yeah, I've pretty much finished all this side right here, and then I just finished this side in the middle. And then right here, we just have some lip products that I want to quickly show you guys. And then right here, I just have my brushes, and also right in this drawer. Now, this is a very crazy drawer. I just throw new stuff in here. So, I mean, it is not organized, but I do have a lot of stuff in here just to try out. So like, for example, Gerard Cosmetics, e.l.f., Quo, Pixie. What else is in here? Just like tons of different stuff. I usually honestly gift Hoola by Benefit, Pixie, powder, just a ton of different stuff, but I usually gift this stuff, Lancome, and yeah, just a lot of different things in here. And yeah, so I'm not going to get too into that drawer right there. Next one right here is Lippies. Okay, so right in here, I just have like a lot of glosses, so a little miscellaneous as well. We have Anastasia, Kylie Cosmetics, Gerard Cosmetics. These are just glosses I honestly don't use all that much. So yeah, more Anastasia, Kate Cosmetics. We've got ColourPop right here, the Hello Kitty collection, more Anastasia glosses, Jade. This was the Pure collection one. Yeah, more Pure Cosmetics down there. And just, yeah, I don't know. I don't really reach for those all that often. And they're a little mixed up right now. And then right here we just have the Ultra Shine glosses by Milani. So I just got like a ton of colors, some nude ones, some dark ones. And yeah, that's what I have in there. And right in the back there, I've just got all these like little mini ones. But yeah, that is what it looks like. And then all these little drawers are from the dollar store. Okay, so in this next drawer right here, it's also kind of crazy. I've got some brushes back there, and also right in here, I've just thrown really random things in here. A lot are drugstore, so Revlon, more Revlon, We have NYX, MAC, and I don't know what that is. Makeup Forever, some L'Oreal. Pixie is down here, more Pixie right over here. And this is like really, yeah, Anastasia, They're Real by Benefit. And then also MAC Cosmetics. We've got Stila, a little bit of everything it looks like. Just things that I don't honestly use that often. But yeah, I just have them in here. And then Pure Cosmetics. So this is the Skinny Dip by Jouer. It's actually really beautiful and I used to wear that all the time. And yeah, just a little crazy in there. And then right over here, we just have some blushes. So I've got like my Too Faced blush right here. This is the Lumi True Match by L'Oreal. And then these are all Milani right here. They're baked blushes, which are gorgeous. I love these so much. And then these right back here are the Professional Mask by Benefit. So I just have 2 of those back there. Okay, so this last drawer right here, it has nothing to do with makeup. I just have some of my like wedding stuff in here and photo albums and stuff, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. And then I've got my clothing cart right here, so I'm just gonna move it really quickly so I can get back here. Okay, so right in this drawer right here, I've pretty much just got some Soap and Glory products. So this is just like bath and body stuff, but I thought I'd show you guys anyways. So right here we have the Breakfast Scrub, and it's a body scrub by Soap and Glory, and I love their scrubs. They're amazing. And then this one right here is... So this one right here is the Lightly Whipped Body Buttercream, and also a part of the Smoothie collection. And then right back here we have the Speed Plump. So it's a Miracle Moisturizer. And then right here we have the Vitamin C Facial Wash. And then right here we have some Bath & Body Works. So I've got like the Cocoa Body Scrub right here, and then also some Bath & Body Works candles. Just love their candles all around. So I usually just buy a lot more so I have them for longer. And then right back here, we actually have some just like mini hand sanitizers, a little unicorn one and some other ones right there. And then Live Fresh, I just have a little shower gel. And then my mom got me this. It's one of their body creams. And then I've just got my wallets and everything like that up there. And then right down here, I just have some makeup bags, nothing crazy. And right down here, more makeup bags, some random things. And more random things down there. So yeah, I pretty much went through all of my makeup drawers though and showed you guys all of my collections. So that is pretty much everything that I have. Okay guys, so that was my entire makeup collection and just like what was in my beauty drawers. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and of course, yeah, let me know if you guys want to see separate videos on like my blush collections, and I can go more in depth on like swatching and stuff like that for you. Or if it's lip products, bronzers, whatever it is, then just let me know. I know I've gotten some requests to do blushes, so definitely let me know in the comments. And thank you guys again for being subscribed and watching this video. I am truly so thankful for the support, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.